In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix SEO settings to boost your site ranking. This process is a great way to enhance your website's visibility and attract more visitors by ensuring your site is optimized for search engines. So let's dive right in and start boosting your SEO efforts using Wix. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your website's dashboard. On your dashboard, look for the Setup section. This is where you'll find a comprehensive suite of tools that Wix offers to help you manage and set up various aspects of your website. It's always a good starting point for making sure everything is in order before you dive into more detailed adjustments. Once you're in the setup area, the next step is to click on Marketing Home. This section is specifically designed to assist you in enhancing your website's online presence. It provides a centralized place for all of your marketing needs. Here, Wix provides resources and tools to help amplify your reach and engagement with potential visitors. Next, you'll want to select Optimize Your Site. This option is crucial because it directly focuses on improving your website's visibility in search engine results. When you click on it, you're essentially accessing a series of features that guide you through the optimization process. These can include tips on improving content, ensuring mobile compatibility, and checking page load speeds, all important factors for SEO. After you've opted to optimize your site, look for the Start Now button. This is where the real magic begins. By clicking Start Now, you initiate the SEO setup, which will guide you step by step through the SEO improvement process. This can include setting up your site's meta tags, creating an SEO-friendly URL structure, and more. Wix simplifies this process by providing an easy-to-follow checklist and tips tailored to your specific site. As you go through each step, take your time to understand what changes you're implementing. Wix offers explanations and suggestions that can be very helpful if you're new to SEO. Remember, the goal here is to make sure search engines can easily understand what your website is about and why it's valuable to users searching for related content. In summary, utilizing Wix's SEO settings can significantly impact your website's ranking by making it more accessible and appealing to search engines. Starting from the Setup section, moving through Marketing Home, selecting Optimize Your Site, and engaging with the Start Now button are all key steps. By following these processes, you enable more users to find and engage with your website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you successfully boost your website's SEO using Wix. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.